Welcome back to another video. In this video we are gonna get started on our bedroom furniture, and the first thing on our list is the most important, which is under the bed drawers. We desperately need them because since we store our main kind of clothes in there, kind of like socks and all kinds of t-shirts, so that needs to be built first. It's gonna be a three-part series, so we gotta get started today just to build the frame. So we're gonna take off these legs, which are actually as cool as they look, they're actually been annoying because you cannot clean very efficiently around them, and also spiders love these corners, so they're making spider webs all the time in there. So not the best in that sense. So we're gonna take these legs off and make kind of a full-on box, so it's not gonna have any gap below it, so no dust can get under and everything. So I hope that's gonna be a good design, and we're gonna make one drawer and second drawer, and the other bedroom we made just single drawer and still a gap underneath, but that was much more difficult to do because you have to kind of hang the drawers from the bed. So in this case we're going to build a full frame like we did for the little closet, and that's going to have a host of drawers. So let's get started and make the frame first, then we're going to slowly slide it under and take off these legs. Pencil.
Using the one piece to the max.
Literally, we're gonna use it.
I think we're not gonna
1
have.
centimeter left over.
I love working like that. The least leftover as possible. First time in the barn? Not like? Perfect. I can take
Tell
this.
you what, you take this. So all the wood is cut, now we just gotta assemble it, kind of put it back together. This time I went and remeasured each wood after each cut and checked with the square that every angle I've cut is exactly and straight. So in this time we are mostly all exactly on the measurement, maybe by 0.5 millimeter or 1 millimeter off, but I don't think that's gonna be enough. But last time we had a bit of a difference in the size of the boxes, so it does make the drawer work a lot harder. So I want to make it exactly perfect. So hopefully it's gonna be good. So let's start assembling it, and hopefully I've calculated all the measurements exactly to be exact box that we need, which I think it will be.
some nice big drawers.
Huge drawers, actually.
They're gonna be in half, of course. So it's like this one,
Plus
plus that one and that one.
On that side.
Nice.
Feels strong.
So all the time we've been working over here, she has been very silently sleeping over there, not bothering at all. Usually, you know, puppies are like all over your feet, but she's like, I let them work. Which is like so, I don't know, for a puppy, so proper. She kind of understands playtime and work time. How do you understand that already? Without us telling you. Whoa, nice big shelf.
Closet. Small drawers. And done. So we have finished screwing it all together. It is done. I left my drill in a perfect place. Oh, bye. So it's not so heavy. So for now, whenever all the clothes go in, I bet it's gonna get quite a lot heavier. Of course, it is sitting flat on the floor like this. And I think those screws will be able to hold a few kilos, and all this wood should be good. So now next step is remove these two legs, slide them out, hold the bed up, slide this under, remove the other two legs, and
Yeah.
be happy.
That sounds easier than
This bed not light, so that's going to be a bit of a struggle.
but it should be doable. I mean, we lifted a closet up on this
I
construction,
think this
so
might be heavier than the closet.
yeah, but
Not so high lift, and especially now in theory it's kind of already on legs. So we just need to kind of smush this and push those legs out of the way.
Okay, well, let's figure it out. And
Get started.
yeah. So are we clear?
Yep.
What are you doing?
Evie's hugging me.
Evie?
Evie wants nyam nyam. Okay, 3, 2, 1. 1.
What? I can't go. Or is it still attached?
Ah, the beam. Okay.
One.
How do we do it?
I don't know.
We didn't measure this side of the bed. We measured one side. How do we know it's straight? Because it might not be straight.
Again, we're building something completely awesomely straight on something that is absolutely probably not straight. That is facts. 3, 2, 1. Get your legs out.
Okay, why did we hit something?
I don't know.
Push the frame.
From this side?
Yeah. Push towards me, no?
Sure. What are you doing?
She's calculating with me how to do this.
So we realized that we want to put also like a fabric, like a wind barrier proof thing.
The same membrane, yeah.
Yeah, kind of like the same one that we
It
use.
works good for that because it,
So no dust goes down.
yeah.
But we realized that maybe we should have done that before, but then it would also maybe rip.
And she's falling. Yep.
She's relocating.
It's softer there. She's sliding down. Yeah, I'm not the best shape for sleeping.
No, she's falling everywhere. She can't get comfy.
Oh yeah.
Honestly, there's not so much that's falling down. Like we have the other drawers for like nearly 3 years now,
Yeah.
and it has not really made dust.
But-
so
It was a good thing to put on while doing it, but if we had it on and slide it under, we'd rip it
it
off.
would rip it. So that was the scary part. She's just gonna relocate lower and lower.
She's helping me exercise. Yoga. Is this dog yoga?
No.
I'm doing the dog position. It's actually a good stretch. Oh! Oh!
Uh-oh. Oh no.
She's aiming. Oh my goodness, my doggy! What did you do? You fell?
What was that?
No one saw it.
Oh my goodness.
No one saw it, right?
It's okay. Yeah, come. 14. Perfect. That was much easier than I thought.
So we are done. The frame is under and it's nice and sturdy. It actually kind of gives a nice floating look. I think the legs kind of were, well, not the prettiest, but not the ugliest either. So I think this is going to be a lot more functional, and it's nice and sturdy as well. That's the most important as well for us. Nice and hard frame. Of course, these top ones are good, but this is like kind of one big leg. But also we realized, a good thing we didn't make the night tables before making this, because the drawers actually come out till almost here. So the night tables you could not make with legs. So we have to make a floating night table or something to connect from the bed kind of outwards. So that also gives us that, because we wanted a night table also with a drawer, so you can put some like things that you have next to your bed in the drawer, nice and hidden. In the next video we are gonna get on and make the drawers and attach them on the slides and have them all functional. It's also gonna be all soft closed drawers.
And let us know in the comments down below. I don't know if it's gonna matter because we might work on them now, but should we make one big one or two small ones? We're still trying.
Two small ones will be the best.
Don't know.
They'll each be that big, the drawers, like from my finger to the top. I think that's more than enough for socks and t-shirts.
Two of those.
And
so
pants, whatever you want to put in there.
4 for each side. We'll see. We're still
It's
gonna
be insane amount of storage.
Okay.
So hope you enjoyed this video, and we're gonna see you in the next one. Bye bye.
Looking good.